Hey! Nwata bụrụ chi ụzọ gbagbo onwe ya n'ọsọ tụọ ka ọ ga-adị nwanne m ojembe wilo pụtaba. Welcome to Helen's Corner. Hello guys. Today this video I'm making is a very sensitive video, but you know I really have to make this video. I don't mean to hurt anyone in this video, and I pray that you don't misunderstand me. I also pray that this video foster unity among the Igbos and even the world in general. Okay, I don't know why the Igbos in general are being hated. I don't know why the Anambrans are being hated. A subscriber left this particular comment in my comment section the other day. In a video I made the other day, or I didn't call any race, Anambra, Igbo. Don't worry, in my subsequent video I'm going to take us to even see that there are other people that are not Igbo that are even in Ebonyi State. Maybe I will look for some Yoruba people that we are going to interact with, and I'll take you guys to Oba Hausa and even Hausa quarters for you to see that there are lots of people that are other tribes that are in this Ebonyi State. But I wonder why this type of comment should drop against those that are Anambrans. Now, my people used to say that onye na-amaghị ebe mmiri no bidoma bia odame ebe ọ ga-akọ ya. I want to take us back to the beginning, okay? In the beginning, Ebonyi State, Anambra State, and Enugu State were one. They were one. They were old Anambra states. They were all old Anambra states. It was then they have what they call the Agbenu and the Wawa. The now Anambra states, okay, that comprises of those that are going to Olu states and even the current Anambra they are the ones that are the Agbenus. While the Enugu state and the Abakaliki, we are called Wawas, okay? See, it's just like the issue of being a Christian and being a Muslim here. Typically, majority of us in the south are born as Christian. Majority of us in the north are born as Muslim. Probably if I was born in the north by another parent, I would be a Muslim. Majority of our parents were either Christians or traditional worshippers because we were born in the south. And because they were born in the north, majority of their parents are either Muslims or they are Christians, okay? So right now, that is how it is when you talk about states, okay? If you're from Anambra, it's because your parents are Anambra, that's why you are Anambra. If you're from Enugu, it's because your parents are Enugu, that's why you're Enugu. But then, in the beginning, when the white people came, then the Onitsha port, if not for whatever, I don't know if it's politics Nigeria is playing or whatever, that has turned the Onitsha seaport to nothing. Onitsha port was there then during the colonial era, okay? If you go and read your history very well, you're going to see that there was a port in Onitsha. So because of the existence of the port in Onitsha, it's made those people living around that Niger River where the port is located to venture into business of importing things, and that is why they are who they are, because they saw business earlier than we that are in this other part. Why those that are inside the Ebonyans? Because they have vast land, majority of them are farmers. Even right now, currently, it is very difficult for you to go into a family in Ebonyi State and you will not get, if not all of them, one person must be farming, no matter how rich the person is, okay? If you go to Enugu, you will see that majority of them were, especially the Nkanu side, they were killing all these cow, that is, let me say, Oruaka, in Igbo, like handwork. That's what they use to know Enugu people. Most of them, all this medicine, because there was coal then in Enugu. You know, then this petroleum was not discovered. It was later that they discovered this whole fuel that is causing all this trouble. It was coal that was the egweji. That was the main thing in Nigeria then. So majority of them in Enugu State are into handwork. Okay, so and that was why the Anambrans became as in more into business than those of us that were in this other parts of the state. Now, it doesn't make an Ebonyi less valuable, because probably without an Ebonyi, you'll be buying food very, very expensive. Probably without somebody that is from Enugu, you will not see people that will fix all the things you want to do in your house. Then, majority doesn't mean that other people from each of these states I've called are not doing all these other works. They might be doing all these other jobs, but I'm just talking about the majority here. Okay, now what I want us to understand is that they force and see the lights doesn't mean that others are foolish or others are stupid, or that the Ebonyans are farmers doesn't mean that others are ritualists. Because all these things are stereotypes. This is what I want to talk about, misconceptions. People will be talking about ritual. Okay, if ritual is easy, or show me where they are doing ritual, let me see, because I don't even believe in all those things. Okay, money ritual or all those things, just that they started on time. And right now, thank God, industrialization, urbanization is coming into Ebonyi State, and people are migrating. It's a good thing. But then, majority of the Anambrarians that are in this state right now, they did not just migrate. They started staying in this state. Their parents lived in this state, married in this state. I have a friend that her husband is from Anambra, but his mother, which is her mother-in-law, is from this Ebonyi state. In fact, currently they are in this Ebonyi. They own a lot of land. It's not today. It's land that they got in during the old Anambra states. Because then both Ebonyi, Enugu, and Anambra were all old Anambra states. So many, because everybody felt that every part of Anambra, I'm an indigene there, they decided to buy properties depending on how rich they are. They got a lot of land here in Ebonyi State. They got a lot of land in Enugu State. They have land in Anambra. Likewise, the other people that were as in well-to-do that time. Another set of people that have a large quantity of land in this Ebonyi State now are the current Ebonyi indigenes, because most of them were farmers. So they have large, in fact, you will see somebody, we have more than 70-something plots, 80-something plots, a hectare. One person will have it in Ebonyi State. It can never happen in Enugu or even in Anambra, because where do you even see land that you want to have hectares of land? But because they are majorly farmers here, they have large plots of land that they farm. They are not even willing to give it away. A typical Ebonyi man will have 50 hectares of land, and even sometimes he might even be sick. He will not want to sell anyone or even dispose anyone, because he's so attached with his land. He believes that his land is his money. So you cannot blame them because of who they are. But education has made everything changed. During Samegu's time, his motto is, education is the hope of my people. And truly, truly, a lot of things have changed. And even the future, if things should continue in this pace in Ebonyi State, a lot of things will change. Okay, now what brought about this video is this very comment that was left on my channel, and I was now not happy. And I was like, what is all these things? When will all these things stop? If it's not, I don't like Anambra, I don't like Imo, I don't like Enugu, it is, I don't like Ebonyi. I don't like Abia State. When will all these things end? When will all these things stop? Because for Christ's sake, we are one. We started as old Eastern Nigeria. They've managed to divide us, split us. Now we have South, South, Southeast. Okay? They also managed to remove some parts of this Eastern Nigeria. Took them to Benue State. Okay, it's not enough. Now we are just 5 Eastern states. We still hate ourselves. If you even come inside the Ebonyi State itself, okay, I remember the first time I came into Ebonyi State, the first thing somebody that is an Ebonyi indigene will tell me is that one thing I should be careful for in this state is that if I see a snake and see an Izaman, I should first of all kill this Izaman before I kill snake. The same thing people used to say outside about Imo State. If you say an Imo person, especially an Imbise man, and see snake, you should kill the snake before you kill the Imbise man. For what? Because one Imbise man had an issue with one Anambra man then. It now became a general something. See, let me tell you what happens in this life naturally. I might be your friend. Both of us will be working. You will not notice anything bad against me. The moment somebody come and tell you that, hey, that you should watch me, that anytime I talk, I do like this. Anytime I talk, I do like this. Once you put your eyes and start watching me, you will be seeing that thing. You're not seeing it before, but because the person have said it, you will start seeing it. What I want to bring to our notice is that if I begin to look that, watch out all Ebonyans, they are mad people, I will start seeing the madness in all Ebonyans. If I say, watch out all Anambarians, they love money, they are thieves, I will start seeing it because that is what I'm looking for in them. If I say, watch out, nobody is perfect. We are like the hand, the nose, the mouth, and the ear. All of them have their equal responsibility in the body. The day I will disturb you and pain you very, very well, that whole day your whole body will scatter. Nose or teeth should hurt you, you go to hospital, you will be like they should give you ibuprofen. Your whole system will damage because of just one part of the body. We should understand that we are not the same, but we can work together as one. We can love ourselves and work together as families without this hate. Let us stop looking for that thing that is evil in the other person. If we stop looking for it and start looking for the good thing in the other person, we are going to see what we are looking for. But if we keep peeping to see the evil that person has, we are still going to see it, because the Bible said that ask and it shall be given unto you. Seek and you will find. You will seek and you will find. You are going to see that thing that you are looking for. Please, let's learn to understand that in every race, there is the good, the bad, and the ugly. We should not encourage stereotype. These people hate these people. These people hate these people. Okay, for Christ's sake, these comments now. See me. I'm an Anambarian, no, because I'm married to an Anambra man. Do I hate Abakaliki people? No. I'm the first person. I'll proudly hit my chest and say I'm the first person that started promoting Ebonyi State in this YouTube space. Aside from those, maybe once in a while that bring news about Ebonyi State, just bring news about Ebonyi State. I'm the first person that started showing Ebonyi in this YouTube space. So, but I'm an Anambarian. So do I hate Ebonyans and I'm showing good things about them? No. We should learn to use, even if we want to drop comments in the comment section, we should make constructive criticism. That is, make it very constructive so that we can debate about it. Don't put all these hates, all these stupid, insultive words. Don't put it. Very soon, what I will do is I'm going to highlight all those insultive words that I'm seeing. And if you drop it on my channel, you will not even see your comments. Me, self, I won't see your comments. Please, I want us to improve if it's going to be possible. I really hope this my video is going to foster more of unity than disunity in this channel, and is going to help all of us to grow in love and become one. For those of you that don't even really know where I'm from, I just want to introduce myself properly. I'm an Enugu woman, married to an Anambarian, living in Ebonyi State. And I didn't just start living in Ebonyi State. I even had my pre-science years back, as far back as 2004, I think, that I started coming to this Ebonyi State, okay? From north to Ebonyi. And you know the beautiful part of north? In the north, we as Igbos, in fact, I don't even used to know the state the other person come from. If I just see you and you are Igbo, oh my goodness, I hug you because you're my brother or you're my sister. We live as one in the north, okay? In fact, majority of us, you hardly see where Igbos fight themselves. You hardly see it in the north. When Anan came to the east, that I started seeing Izi, Anambra, Enugu, even me, I'm scared of the Biafra. To be honest with you, I'm scared because I don't want us to kill ourselves. Just because we have been divided, we've had misconceptions, a lot of stereotype, A lot of things going on, they will use that medium and kill ourselves. Please, I hope that this video will foster a lot of unity in us all. Thank you so much. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.